I seriously didn't know something this simple could help my husband stop snoring. I always thought snoring could only be fixed with expensive devices or complicated treatments. But nope, I found this PDF with super easy, natural tips. And honestly, it made a huge difference. It explains sleeping positions, small habits, and tiny adjustments that actually reduce nighttime blockage. Nobody tells you this stuff, but it really works. My husband snores way less now. I sleep better, and we're both in a much better mood every day. If you want the same PDF we used and it gets sent straight to your email, totally worth it.